Hello everybody, this is Mr. Kabara from Family English. Basic writing skill model sample questions focusing on the 5 units. Most of the questions are short answer questions, so I'm going to give you some more clarification for each question, and you'll try to just watch the video and try to have some key points for your final examination, as well as for improving for your writing skill. It's not only for taking the examination, but the way that you improve your writing skill is very important. You will get some hints here, and try to watch the video. And if you have any question regarding on the question, or maybe the content that I'm presenting here is, yeah, you have to just contact with my contact address. Let me start for this here. First, I'm going to give you some time to try to answer the question, and then I will give the correct answer and give explanation for that. Let me start for the first question, please. Here is undeniably true that the role of mobile phone in the school has a number of significances. However, it encourages the student to play games, watch films, and use for unrelated events. This kind of paragraph is called blank. Descriptive, narrative, expository, and argumentative writing. I actually, the 4 types of paragraph writing, especially what descriptive is, what narrative, what expository, and argumentative is. When you are intended to write about describing and make an vivid image about an event or an object, you can just use descriptive writing. Narrative is also another way of writing paragraph. If you want to just narrate about a given title, you have to narrate is using the narrative tenses, which is different from descriptive. Expository, if your purpose or intention is to explain about that, to give information up to the readers, you have better use expository. If you want to just give convincing about the two debatable items or ideas, you can just use argumentative. This is a shallow definition of the 4 types of paragraph writing. From this perspective, what will be the answer here? May I give you a time to answer the question here? Nice, please. Yeah, exactly. If you answer argumentative, absolutely you are on the right line, which means that there are two controversial issues. There is pros and cons here. One is the significance of mobile phone, and the other is the disadvantages of students using mobile phone. One thing which is important to give hint is there is a conjunctive adverb, however, nevertheless, nonetheless, and adverbs of contrast, although, even though, and there is also coordinating conjunction. But if the ideas can be combined, either of these types of conjunctions, that kind of paragraph writing seems argumentative. It's really argumentative here. The paragraph starts with the positive or the positive use of mobile phone, and also it has also stressed here the negative aspects. So argumentative writing, the right answer, please. Question number 2. Technology is important for students in the school in many ways. So this is a topic sentence, please. Technology is important for students in the school in many ways. It introduced recent experiences such as virtual learning, lectures, and learning from academic journals. This piece of writing is likely to be what? Expository, narrative, and narrative, descriptive, argumentative. So may I give you a time to answer the question here? Yeah, please. Yeah, you read it? Nice. If you answer expository, right, because it gives the importance of technology. This is it transfers the transformation of the traditional chalk and board system to transform into a new and modern technology system. It wants us to just explain about the contribution of technology in academic learning and others, please. Yeah, so the answer is expository. ፐርፖዙ የተጻፈበት ፐርፖዝ ማሳየት ነው፣ ማብራራት መስጠት ነው። ገላጭ ድርሰት ነው። ይሄ ገላጭ ድርሰት የምንለው ነው። ስለ አንድ ጉዳይ ማብራሪያ መስጠትና ማሳወቅ ነው። ስለዚህ የቴክኖሎጂን ጥቅም ነው እዚህ ጋር እየሰጠ ያለው። ኤክስፖዚቶሪ ፓራግራፍ እንለዋለን ይሄን። Nice, please. Question number 3. Question number 3. They both have wings and feathers for flying, but the smallest birds have long beaks for eating insects and for picking wood. The biggest birds have huge long necks and legs. This short paragraph can be developed through, right, ways of paragraph development meters. We have 5 to 6 ways of development, paragraph writing meters of paragraph development. The first one is classification, definition, comparison and contrast, illustration, cause or effect, and the other is sequencing. Sequencing. All these are examples of ሜስ ኦፍ ፓራግራፍ ምንድነው? አንድን አንቀጽ ጽፍ በአንድ የፓራግራፍ አጻጻፍ ስልት ሳይሆን የተለያዩ እንደምንጽፈው ስቴት እንደምናደርገው የፓራግራፍ ይዘት አንፃር የፓራግራፍ መጻፊያ መንገዳችን የተለያየ ነው የሚሆነው። እነዚህም ኦፍ ኮርስ ዩቲዩብ ላይ በደንብ ለማሳየት ሞክሬያለሁ። ከዛ ውስጥ አሁን እቺ ፓራግራፍ የተቆረጠች ፓራግራፍ የትኛውን ተጠቅማ የተጻፈችው ነው ማንበብ ነው። ርዕሱን በደንብ ይዘቱን በደንብ ማንበብ። ከዛ ክላሲፊኬሽን ምንድነው? ዴፊኒሽን ምንድነው? ኮምፓሪሰን ኤንድ ኮንትራስት ምንድነው? ኢሉስትሬሽን ምንድነው? እሱን ካየንችሁ በኋላ ጥያቄው መመለስ ይቻላል። They both have wings and feathers for flying, but the feathers birds have long necks for eating insects and for picking wood. The biggest birds have huge long necks and legs. This short paragraph can be developed here. Comparison and contrast ካላችሁ ልክ ነው። Comparison and contrast ሁለት ነገሮችን ማወዳደርና ማነጻጸር ማለት ነው። ማወዳደር ሲሚላሪቲያቸውን መናገር ነው አይደል? ሁለቱም ተመሳሳይነታቸው ምን አላቸው? They both have wings and feathers for flying. Exactly. Common characterያቸው ይሄ ነው. But the smallest birds have long necks and eating insects for picking wood. But the birds have long necks. Yes. Beaks ነው እዚህ ጋር ያለን. Long beaks. They got long necks and legs are different, physically different አላቸው ማለት ነው። ተመሳሳይነታቸው wings and feathers ቢኖራቸው physically ደግሞ ይለያያሉ። ስለዚህ ተመሳሳይነታቸው they both have wings and feathers differenceአቸው the first small bird have long beaks but these long necks and legs are different contrast ማለት ነው። so ክሊስ ሴት ያደርጋል ሐሳቡ ተመሳሳይና ተቃራኒ ሐሳቡን መግለጹ ያሳያል እዚህ ጋር። ስለዚህ አንዱ የፓራግራፍ መገንቢያ መንገዳችን comparison and contrast ነው። so the answer is C. Exactly. Look, question number 4. Propaganda is the process of provocating people to get support by introducing their political agenda and their objectives. They might use various propaganda strategies such as distributing brochures, pamphlets, meeting and medias. This paragraph development is blank. This is also another ways. Actually, the 6 ways of developing paragraph or method of paragraph development is completely different because we use a different purpose for different purposes, isn't it? That's why we have different ways of paragraph. ስድስቱም የፓራግራፍ አጻጻፍ መንገዶች ስልቶች ይለያሉ። ምክንያቱም የምንጽፍበት ፐርፐስ ስለሚለይ አንዱም ካንዱ ጋር ሊዛመር አይችልም ማለት ነው። ይሄ የተጠቀምኩበት ፓራግራፍ ሶስተኛ ተራ ቁጥር 3 የተጠቀምኩበት ኮምፕሊት ይለያያል ማለት ነው። yes ስለዚህ propaganda is the process of propagating people to get support by introducing their political agenda and their objective or their manifestos. their manifestos, of course. ስለዚህ ቶፒክ ሰንተስ ማውጣት ይቻላል። ፓራግራፉ እንዴት ነው የተገነባው የሚለውን በቀላሉ አይደንቲፋይ ማድረግ ይቻላል። ምክንያት ክላሲፊኬሽን ምንድነው? ኤግዛምፕሊፊኬሽን ምንድነው? ዴፊኒሽን ምንድነው? ኮዝ ኢፌክት ምንድነው? ናይስ take a time to answer the question please. Exactly. If you answer definition, absolutely you are right. ምክንያቱም ፕሮፓጋንዳ የሚለውን ጽንሰ ሐሳብ ዲፋይን አድርጎ የተነሳ ፓራግራፍ ነው ይሄ። right? Comparison, contrast አለ፣ classification አለ፣ exemplification አለ። Propaganda is the process of ምናምን ብሎ ተነሳ። right? Deforestation is the process of ብሎ ተነሳ። soil erosion is the way of and flooding is ብሎ ተነሳ። እንደዚህ በሚጻፈው ርዕስ ላይ ተነስቶ ቶፒክ ሰንተር ስቴት ከተደረገ ፓራግራፉ ሊገነባ የሚችለው በምንድነው? በዴፊኒሽን ነው። እዛ ውስጥ ዲፋይን ሲደረጉ የሚወጡ ሐሳቦች አሉ። እነዚህ ሐሳቦች የፓራግራፉ ሰፖርቲንግ ዲቴይልስ ሆነው ያገለግላሉ ማለት ነው። ኦኬ ናይስ classification. If you want to classify about one thing in different ways, classification. Exemplification, if your paragraph is supported by different examples, that kind of paragraph writing is exemplification. Cause effect, and if there is a cause effect relationship in a paragraph, that is cause effect. If you state the cause, only writing the paragraph with cause, there must be an effect, alright? If you write a paragraph on an effect, so what is the cause of the effect? Of course. So cause effect 1, cause preceded with or followed by effect, and effect preceded with cause. Exactly true. So there is a way or method of paragraph writing, as I am giving you correct definition, correct explanation for the methods of paragraph development method please here. በዚህ መልክ ነው የምትይዟቸው እነዚህን። ስለዚህ definition ብላችሁ ከመለሳችሁ ትክክል ነው። እነዚህ ጥያቄዎች of course basic writing skill ላይ በስፋት የሚጠነጠኑ ጥያቄዎች ናቸው. So can do it please yeah. Question number 5, which one of the following is not support detail from the topic sentence? Yeah. Plaza is the most quality hotel in the town. Ahon, what is topic sentence? What is supporting details? What's introduction? What's body? What's conclusion? Quality of paragraph? Length of paragraph? We have done it in many ways, please. Yeah. በብዛት ነው ይሄን ነገር YouTube ላይ የሰራሁት. So actually በደንብ ታቁታላችሁ. You have background experience. Yeah. Support detail ማለት ከቶፒክ ሰንተንሱ የሚወጣ ዝርዝር ሐሳብ ማለት ነው። ከተቀመጠው ቶፒክ ሰንተንስ የሚወጣ ሐሳቡን ሰፖርት የሚያደርግ ወይም ቶፒክ ሰንተንሱን ሰፖርት የምናደርግበት የፓራግራፍ አጻጻፍ አንድ ቴክኒክ ነው። ቴክኒክ ባይሆንም anyway ከቶፒክ ሰንተንሱ ይዘቶች ፓራግራፉን የምንገነባበት ይዘቶች ወይም ዝርዝር ሐሳቦች ማለት ናቸው እነዚህ። ስለዚህ መጀመሪያ you do understand the topic sentence please. Topic sentence በደንብ ይዩት. Plaza is the most quality hotel in the town ካለ በኋላ the service they give is remarkable. Its cleanliness is attractive. Alex Hotel is next to it. There are recreational centers. Can you answer it please? Yeah, can you answer it please? Exactly. Nice. The answer is C, because this is an irrelevant idea here. What's important here is the subject that write is about Plaza Hotel, and the controlling idea here is quality of Plaza Hotel. Quality. What makes the hotel quality? Variety of things, yes. Right? Plaza ነው ርዕሱ ኳሊቲ የሚያሰኙት ነገሮች ምንድናቸው? እሱ ነው ኮንትሮሊንግ አይዲያችን ይሄ ነው። ይሄን ኮንትሮሊንግ አይዲያ ካወጣሁኝ ሰፖርቲንግ ኤቪደንሶችን ከዚህ የዘረዘርኩ ማውጣት እችላለሁ። አንደኛ ኳሊቲ የሚያደርገው በውስጡ የሚሰጠው ሰርቪስ ሁኔታ በጣም ፈጣን ነው፣ ምቹ ነው። the hotel had a lot of customers, remarkable ነው። exactly አንዱ የሚያስወድድበት ምክንያት ሰርቪስ አሰጣጡ ነው። ምንም ጥርጥር የለውም። የሚፈልገው ነገር በሰዓቱ ይቀርባል። ስለዚህ ከስተመር ይወደዋል ያን ቤት ነው። is cleanliness attractive? ንጽህናው cleanliness attractive በቃ everything in the hotel is neat, clean, remarkable። እንዴት ብዬ ነው የምገልጽላችሁ? በቃ ከሚገባው በላይ ኳሊቲ ነው የሚያሰኘው ንጽህናው ከበሩ መግቢያ ጀምሮ እስከ ሁሉ ሰርቪስ ስላለው ጉዳይ። Alex Hotel is next to it. It's not our business to talk about Alex Hotel. We are talking about Plaza Hotel. ስለ አሌክስ ሆቴል አይደለም እያወራን ያለው፣ ስለ ፕላዛ ሆቴል ነው። ስለ ፕላዛ ሆቴል ኳሊቲ የሚያሰኙት ነገሮች ነው እያወራ ያለው። ስለዚህ ኢሬሌቫንት አይዲያ ነው። of course አንድ ኳሊቲ የሚያሰኘው ነገር ደግሞ ሪክሪኤሽናል ሴንተር በውስጡ መኖር፣ ለምሳሌ ስዊሚንግ ፑል፣ ፕሌይንግ ጌምስ ኦር ፕሌይ ስቴሽን፣ እንዲህ አይነት የሚያዝናኑ ነገሮች ሲኖሩት ሆቴሉን ኳሊቲ ያደርገዋል። have you seen it? A B and D are really important, which make the hotel quality, but CE doesn't have any relationship with the statement or the topic sentence, so this is called an irrelevant idea. Please, that the way you answer the question, just like this please. በዚህ መልኩ ነው ጥያቄዎችን የምትሰሯቸው። Question number 6, from the given supporting details, which one do you think is the best topic sentence here? እዚህ ጋር ሐሳቦች ተቀምጠዋል። ምንድነው እዚህ ጋር ሐሳቦቹ? supporting details ናቸው። እነዚህ supporting detail ስብስብ አድርጋችሁ በአንድ ቶፒክ ሰንተንስ ስትገልጿቸው የትኛው ነው እነዚህን ሐሳቦች ጭምቅ አድርጎ የሚይዝላችሁ ለማለት ነው ጥያቄው የመጣው። We can learn from my peers, yes. We can learn various things from the environment, okay. We can get some more important things from parents, of course. We can learn from our teachers, yeah. First of all, what ideas are in each sentence, and how can we combine and make one topic sentence here? I think there is no any irrelevant ideas here. All are relevant, but how can we combine and make one meaningful and clear topic sentence? አንድ ትርጉም ሊሰጥ የሚችል እነዚህን ሐሳቦች ጭምቅ አድርጎ የያዘ የትኛው ነው? መጀመሪያ እነዚህን ሐሳቦቹን አንብቧቸው ከዛ ወደ ምርጫዎቹ ትመጣላችሁ። A. Learning comes from different ways. The only way to learn is the school. Learning depends on the environment. Learning is important for human beings. Is it really? I don't know. Anyway, how can you answer the question here? You focus on the given ideas, the supporting details here, and make it a link. Nice. If you answer A, exactly. These are the different ways or approaches of learning. Learning doesn't come from education, from the school. Learning doesn't come from parents. Learning never comes from peers. Learning comes from peers, the environment, parents, and from teachers. So learning comes from different ways. All right. Well, we can learn in different ways. Yes, we can learn in different ways. ነው የምንለው እንጂ ትምህርት በተለያየ መንገድ እንማራለን ነው። ከፒርስ፣ ከኢንቫይሮንመንት፣ ከፓረንት ኤንድ ከቲቸርስ እንማራለን ነው እዚህ ያለን ያለው እንጂ አንድ ነገር ከአንድ ነገር ጋር ብቻ እንማርም። ስለዚህ ቶፒክ ሰንተንሳችሁ የሚሆነው ኤ ነው። ይሄንን ቶፒክ ሰንተንስ ብትሰጡ መጻፍ ይቻላል አይደል? The first way is I can learn from my friends, from my parents, from my environment, from the society. All right, you can just say it just like this, please. So the answer is A, exactly true. Question number 7. Which one of the following is clear and meaningful topic sentence? Look at the question here. Which one is clear and meaningful topic sentence here? A. Dase is different from Bahar Dar. B. Every school has some problems. C. There are different factors affecting climate, and the plants need water. I don't know. First of all, what topic sentence? You have to just give the correct definition topic. What the topic sentence is? መጀመሪያ topic sentence ምንድነው? እሱን ጽንሰ ሐሳቡን ካወቃችሁ በኋላ ወደ ጥያቄው ነው የምትመጡት። Yeah. Nice. Take a time to answer the question, please. Yes, right. If you answer A, you got the answer. Let me explain what topic sentence. Topic sentence, which is the main content or the main idea of a paragraph, which is found in a paragraph, not in an essay or composition writing. So when it's a topic sentence, it must be stated as in statement forms and in question, because it consists the subject and the controlling idea. All right, it's always specific, not general, please. If you define just like this, you can answer here. Topic sentence ማለት አንድን ሐሳብ ብቻ ዝርዝር ሐሳብ ብቻ የያዘ ጥቅል ሐሳብን ያልያዘ በአረፍተ ነገር ወይም በጥያቄ መልክ የሚገለጽ በፍሬዝ ወይም በክሎዝ መልክ የማይገለጽ በየትኛውም የፓራግራፍ ላይ የሚገኝ ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ከዚህ አንፃር ደሴ is different from ባህር ዳር መልስ ነው። ምክንያቱም ደሴ ከባህር ዳር የሚለይባቸውን ጉዳዮች ላይ ነው የምጽፈው። ኦኬ፣ የሚለይባቸው number of population ሊሆን ይችላል፣ institution ሊሆን ይችላል፣ civilization ሊሆን ይችላል, or maybe some more ነገሮችን እንጽፋለሁ ማለት which are specific ነው። every school has some problem በጣም ግዙፍ ነው ይሄ። እያንዳንዱ ትምህርት ቤት ችግር አለበት። ስቱደንት ፕሮብለም ብትወስዱት እንኳን a lot of problems students have. teachers problem ብዙ ችግር፣ administrative problem, societal problem, academic problem በጣም ብዙ። ይሄ በፓራግራፍ ሳይሆን በኢስ የሚጻፍ ጉዳይ ነው። There are different factors affecting climate. A global climate change በአንድ ፓራግራፍ ተጽፎ የሚያልቅ ነው? Impossible. So we cannot write this topic within a paragraph. It's completely unthinkable. Yeah, plants need water. It's a very specific. It cannot act as a topic sentence. Simply, it is stating of ideas. Okay. በፓራግራፍ መልክ የሚጻፍ ሐሳብ አይደለም። need water ምንም ሐሳብ ምንጽፍለት ጉዳይ አይደለም። topic sentence ሊሆን አይችልም። So you can just explain just like this, please. Yeah. So the answer is A ካላችሁ ልክ ነው። Question number 8. Which one of the following is the best conclusion from the following supporting details? Nice. The questions are really nice and it encourages you to write and to develop confidence, focusing on basic writing skill. Yeah, that's right. የተቀመጡ ሐሳቦች አሉ፣ አራት ሐሳቦች። እነዚህ supporting details ናቸው። ከነዚህ supporting detail topic sentence መጻፍ ትችላላችሁ። Anyway, paragraph, short paragraph ማለት ናቸው እነዚህ። Okay, እነዚህ it has attractive compound and supporting detail ነው። The teachers are experienced, ሌላ supporting detail ነው። There is technology supported teaching learning, there is ሌላ supporting detail ነው። The school has adequate school resources and furniture. ሌላ ሰፖርቲንግ ዲቴል ነው። እነዚህን ሰብሰብ አድርጋችሁ ኮንክሉዥን ስጽፏቸው እንዴት መጻፍ ትችላላችሁ ነው። Yes, you can. ይቻላል። Nice. Most of the students had to learn here. Alright, I don't know. ጠሉታል ነው እንደዛ አይነት ትምህርት ቤት ተገኝቶ ብዙ ተማሪ ጠለዋል። ይሄን ትምህርት ቤት ብላችሁ ታስባል አላውቅም። እንግዲህ the school is a desirable place to learn. The school fee is expensive. It has several classrooms. Yeah. Conclusion. እንዴት conclude ታደርጉታላችሁ እናንተን? How can you conclude? If you get this information, these details in a paragraph, what is your ways of concluding your paragraph, please? Conclusion means restating the main idea of the paragraph, which means you cannot directly state what you have written in the body, but you paraphrase it, yeah? You paraphrase it. Whatever it is, which expression do you think is the right way of concluding for a paragraph, right? Nice, please. Take a short time to answer the question. I think if you answer B ካላችሁ ኤግዛክትሊ ልክ ነው። ዲዛይሬብል ፕሌስ ማለት ሁሉም የተሟላለት ጥሩ ኮምፓውንድ አለው፣ ጥሩ መምህራን ያሉት፣ ቴክኖሎጂ ሰፖርት መማር ማስተማር ሲኖር፣ ፉል ኦፍ ሪሶርስ እና ፈርኒቸሩ የተሟላ ከሆነ ዲዛይሬብል ፕሌስ ነው። ዲዛይሬብል ማለት a pleasant place to live, an attractive, a comfortable or conducive learning environment ያለበት ትምህርት ቤት. So this is a ways of concluding for the paragraph. ይሄ conclusion አይሆንም፣ ይሄም conclusion አይሆንም፣ ሌሎችም irrelevant completely የሚገናኙ ነገሮች አይደሉም ፕሊዝ ያ። ስለዚህ አንድን ሐሳብ conclude ስናደርግ ሐሳቡን እንረዳውና በራሳችን ቋንቋ ሪስቴት ማድረግ ነው። ኦኬ ከቦዲ ኦፍ ዘ ፓራግራፍ ላይ ያለው ሐሳብ ጋር እንዳይጣረስ አድርገን ሪፍሬዝ እናደርግና conclude ስናደርግ ኤግዛክትሊ የሚፈልገውን ፖይንት ማግኘት እንችላለን። ሶ ይሄን ትክክለኛ conclusion ነው። ቢ ካላችሁ ልክ ናችሁ። Great. Let's come to the next question, please. Which one of the following sentences different from the others in terms of unification of the paragraph with the given topic sentence? Right? What's unification? One of the quality of paragraph writing. Unified means singleness of idea or one idea in a paragraph which is unified. Unification. Online learning has a lot of significances. Online learning has a lot of significances, please. This is online learning is the subject, the title that you are going to write. Significance of online learning, the controlling idea. So which one do you think is different here? We have got different experiences. We can improve our communicative skills. It saves time and energy. It develops dependency. Nice. Okay, what do you answer? How can you answer it? Nice. If you answer D, you are on the right track. ናችሁ ልክ ነው። ይሄ irrelevant ነው። በሌላ አገላለጽ irrelevant አይዲያውን አውጡት ነው። Which one of the following is different from the others ማለት irrelevant የሆነውን ሐሳብ አውጡት ነው የጠየኳችሁ እዚህ ጋር። irrelevant የትኛው ነው? ሌሎቹ relevant ናቸው፣ unification ናቸው፣ unified ያደርጋሉ ፓራግራፉን አንድ ያደርጉታል። አንዱ ግን የተለየ ሐሳብ ነው። ያ የተለየ ሐሳብ ደግሞ ፓራግራፉ አያደርገውም፣ ዲስትራክት ያደርጋል ሐሳቡን ነው ያልኩ ያለው። yes online learning you can get different experience ታገኛላችሁ። communicative skill develop ያደርጋል። it saves time and energy save ያደርጋል። it develops dependency የት ተገኝቶ online learning በምን መልክ ዲፔንደንሲ ዴቨሎፕ ሊያደርግ ይችላል? ዲፔንደንሲ እንደውም በቾክ ኤንድ ቦርድ ስንማር ዲፔንደንሲ፣ በቴክስት ቡክ ስንማር ዲፔንደንሲ ዴቨሎፕ የምናደርገው አይደል? we always depend on textbooks, we always depend on chalk, we always depend on the teacher's lecture, but it's never develop dependency online learning በፍጹም። this is the recent and the 21st century teaching method, please. Yeah, so it's never develops dependence, so the answer is D. በፍጹም dependence develop አያደርግም ይሄ። yeah, and attractive ways of teaching guys, no. Nice, please. So the answer is D. Exactly right. Now these are the questions which are from paragraph writing. Yeah, the second part of questions, or part 2, questions related with phrases and clauses. You know what phrases are? We have already defined it. And what adjective phrase, what infinitive phrase, participle phrase, noun phrase, adverb phrase, and prepositional phrase. Yeah, I've already given some clear explanation, clear justification about the type of phrase here, and what makes adjective, infinitive, participle, noun phrase. Based on that, some questions are prepared and try to answer, please. You focus on the underlying phrases, please. The underlying phrase, underline የተደረገባቸው ፍሬዞች የትኛው ፍሬዝ ናቸው? እሱን ነው የምታዩት። ይሄንን ለመመለስ እንግዲህ የምትጠቀሙበት ፍንጭ ይኖር ይመስለኛል። Use that, please. Yeah. Question number 10. He brought the shovel with the blue handle. He brought the shovel with the blue handle. The shovel with the blue handle. What kind of phrase is this? What kind of phrase? The shovel with blue handle. Nice. If you answer noun phrase, exactly you are right, because the head word here is called a noun. Alright? Noun phrase and then ምንጊዜም head word ወይም መሪ ቃል ሁልጊዜም ምን መሆን አለበት? ስም መሆን አለበት አይደለ? ከሱ በፊት ያሉ ሞዲፋየሮች አሉ። ፕሪ ሞዲፋየርስ የምንላቸው አርቲክሎች፣ ሜቢ ፕሪፖዚሽንስ፣ ሜቢ ኳንቲፋየርስ ሞዲፋየርስ ናቸው እንደዛ። what kind of modifier? ፕሪ ሞዲፋየር ሊሆኑ ይችላሉ፣ ፖስት ሞዲፋየር ሊሆኑ ይችላሉ። ስለዚህ whatever the noun is preceding or followed by a kind of modifiers or different modifiers, the base word here is, or the head word is a noun, that kind of phrase is noun phrase here. That's my interpretation about that. The shovel with the blue handle. የሚገልጹት እነዚህ the shovel with the blue handle, handle የሚለውን ስም ነው እየገለጹ ያሉት። ስለዚህ noun phrase ነው መልሳችሁ ማለት ነው። The oranges that fell from the orange tree are delicious. The oranges that fell from the orange tree are delicious. Phrase ምንድነው የሚሆነው ይሄኛው? What kind of phrase is this? Alright? Still, it's a noun phrase, please. የሚያወራው ምንም ጥርጥር ስለ ትሪ ነው። Orange tree. The oranges that fell from the orange tree. Oranges. The oranges that fell from the orange trees. ታያችኋል እዚህ ጋር the oranges እዚህ ጋር ነው ሄድ ወርዱ ያለው the oranges that fell from the orange trees are delicious. The oranges እዚህ ጋር ያለው ስም ነው። ፖስት ሞዲፊኬሽን ነው ያሉት። ፖስት ሞዲፊኬሽን ሪላቲቭ ፕሮናውን ነው። ሪላቲቭ ክሎዝ that fell from the orange tree ሪላቲቭ ፕሮናውን ነው። ሪላቲቭ ፕሮናውኑ ከንሲስት ያደረጋቸው እነዚህ ኤሌመንቶች አሉ። ፖስት ሞዲፋየር ነው የምትሏቸው እዚህ ጋር ያሉትን ፖስት ሞዲፋየሮች ሞዲፋይ የሚያደርገው ማለት ነው ሄድ ወርዱን ኦሬንጅስን ነው። እዚህ ጋር ፕሪ ሞዲፋየር አለን። ፕሪ ሞዲፋየር ዴፊኒት አርቲክል ነው። It makes the type of orange here, alright? It identified the type of orange. So, this is called noun phrase. Nice. The man waving his hand for a taxi was being ignored. The man waving his hand for a taxi was being ignored. What kind of phrase here? Yeah. Yes, please take a time to answer the question. Waving his hand for a taxi was being ignored. Participle phrase. Exactly. Participle. Waving, which is present participle. Waving his hand for a taxi. His hand for a taxi. Post modification. ይሄንን participle modify የሚያደርጉ ሞዲፋየሮች ናቸው እነዚህ። ስለዚህ ፍሬዙ የጀመረው በparticiple ነው። So participle phrase ማለት ነው ይሄ። The participle phrase, please. Participle phrase ምንድነው የሚሆኑት? በጀረንድ ይጀምራሉ። yes በጀረንድ present participle በጀረንድ ይጀምራል። past participle በሲምፕል past ይጀምራል። perfect participle በperfect ይጀምራል of course። ስለዚህ this is called present participle, act as a phrase. A cat with white whiskers just walked by. Yeah. With white whiskers. What kind of phrase is this? ይሄ በጣም ቀላል ነው። prepositional phrase ነው። ምክንያቱም the head word here is preposition with ነው። ልክ እንደ ሌሎቹ እንደ noun phrase መሪ ቃሉ ከፕሪ ሞዲፋየሮቹ ቀጥሎ ሊመጣ ሳይሆን መጀመሪያ ላይ ነው የሚመጣው። ምክንያቱም its position is just like this, please. Yeah. የpreposition phrase ቦታቸው ይሄ ነው። The car with white whiskers. Yes. Right? The car with white whiskers. እነዚህ ፖስት ሞዲፋየርስ ናቸው የምትሏቸው adjective and noun here ማን ሞዲፋይ የሚያደርጉ ናቸው? the preposition with ሞዲፋይ የሚያደርጉ ናቸው። yes ስለዚህ prepositional phrase ምን ጊዜም preposition plus post ሞዲፋየሮች ከመጡ whatever prepositional phrase ነው noun phrase ሊሆን አይችልም። ምክንያቱም እዚህ ጋር ፎከስ የምናደርገው this word with. The helicopters are controlled remotely. The helicopters are controlled remotely. Controlled remotely. control remotely? Yes. What kind of phrase? Adverb phrase ካላችሁ absolutely ልክ ነው። ምክንያቱም remotely is an adverb manner, an adverb clause of manner ነው። controlled which is verb ነው። adverboችን ራሳቸውን adjectiveዎችን modify ያደርጋሉ። ስለዚህ adverb phrase ማለት ነው የስትራክቸሩ። Nice. Question number 15. 15ኛው ጥያቄ yeah. The 45-year-old man with brown hair and a black shirt. The 45-year-old man with brown hair and a black shirt. A phrase no, sat down ካላችሁ sentence ነው የሚሆነው actually. This is a phrase, but what kind of phrase is this? Yeah, okay. You can just take a hint from the phrase here. ፍንጭ ማግኘት ይችላልላችሁ። መጀመሪያ prepositional ነው participle ነው ወይ? ሌሎች adverb adjective ናቸው ወይ? noun phrase ነው ወይ? አሁን ይሄ ስለምንድን ነው የሚያወራው? ስለ አንድ old man ነው የሚያወራው of course. ስለዚህ noun phrase ነው ማለት ነው. noun phrase because it is surrounded by pre-modifiers and post-modifiers. okay? pre-modifieroቹ the 45 year የሚለው pre-modifier ናቸው እዚህ ጋር። ስለዚህ ምንድነው ይሄ? article ነው 40 ordinal and this one is ordinal number ናቸው እዚህ ጋር noun ነው. okay? with brown hair and a black shirt post modifiers ናቸው. whatever post and pre they modify about who an old man is, right? እዚህ ጋር ያለውን head word modifying ማለት እኮ ነው. say something about the noun, right? ስለሱ የሚገልጹ ነገሮች ናቸው እኮ። ስለዚህ ምንም አያምታታኝም። ከዚህ በፊትም ያለው ከዚህ በኋላ ያለው የሚያጠነጥነው የሚገልጸው ስለተቀመጠው አንድ noun ነው። ማን ነው እሱ? the old man. ስለዚህ old man head word ከሆነ noun phrase ብዬ ነው ስቴት ማድረገው። trucks with red strips and large wheels came riding into town. yeah. አሁንም ተመሳሳይ ነገር ነው የምታገኙት። so the answer is noun phrase absolutely because trucks with trucks just lorry with red strips. ከለሩን እኮ እየገለጸላችሁ and large wheels እሱን ነው እየገለጸላችሁ ያለው እኮ እዚህ ጋር። ስለዚህ የሚያወራው ስለማን ነው? ስለ trucks ነው፣ ስለ ሎሪ ነው የሚያወራላችሁ። this is noun actually አይደለ? ያረፍተ ነገር ባለቤት ሆኖ ከመጣ ይሄ ነገር of course noun phrase ነው ስቴት የምታረጉ ሌሎች ነገሮች ሊገልጽ አይችልም ማለት ነው። yes. number 70 ላይ ሄዱ። question number 70. he wrote a book about modern economics. yes, about modern economics. so what kind of phrase is this? what kind of about modern economics? yeah, prepositional phrase እንዳትሉ adjective phrase ነው። yeah, please adjective phrase modern economics is an adjective. it modifies for the noun economics. sometimes prepositions clarifies or functioned as an adjective. ደግሞአለሁ አንዳንድ ጊዜ adjectiveዎች ማነው prepositions እንደ adjective ይሆናሉ። እንደ adjective ማለት ልክ እንደዚህ ፍሬዝን ተከትሎ ሲመጡ ስምን ይገልጻሉ። ስምን ከገለጹ ደግሞ adjective ነው የሚሆኑት። ስለዚህ adjective phrase ነው። he wrote a book about modern economics ስለማን ነው የሚገልጸው? about just it talks about a book. so this phrase adjective phrase. nice. the other one, terrified after watching a scary movie my father had to confront my little sister. terrified after watching a scary movie, there is a comma, so the sentence began from I don't know what kind of phrase is this. if you answer yes, can you just take a time and answer the question here? participle phrase ካላችሁ exactly ልክ ነው። participle phrase what kind of participle? past participle ቅድም ዛጋ መጀመሪያ ላይ የሆነ ነገር ተናግሬያለሁ። past participle ማለት either verb በምን ሊጀምር ይችላል? አረፍተ ነገሩ የፍሬዙ በpast participle ይጀምራል። maybe በed ወይም regular ከሆነ or different forms irregular verb ከሆነ so anyways this is past participle phrase. Having seen the movie before, I wouldn't want to see it again. Yeah, I wouldn't want to see it again. Of course, this is also a kind of phrase. A still participle phrase ነው የምትሉት ይሄንም the participle, what kind of participle? The perfect participle phrase ነው የምትሏቸው. Yes, the perfect participle phrase ነው የምትሉት ይሄን perfect participle phrase because the phrase begins with perfect participle here. Having seen the movie before, I wouldn't want to see it again. Yeah, right. These are the 10 questions focusing on the type of phrases actually. So I think evaluate yourself how much you understand about these types of phrases and try to do some more questions focusing on this one. The third question is types of clauses. Types of clause. I haven't written the name of the clauses here, but you think of the type of clauses and state the correct clause here. እዚህ ጋር ሊስት አላደረኳቸውም ክሎዞቹን እናንተ ግን ታቋቸዋላችሁ አይደል? ሪላቲቭ ክሎዝ፣ ናውን ክሎዝ፣ አድቨርቢያል ክሎዝ፣ አድጀክቲቭ ክሎዝ፣ ኢንፊኒቲቭ ክሎዝ፣ ፓርቲሲፕል ክሎዝ እነዚህ የክሎዝ አይነቶች ናቸው። ስለዚህ የትኛው የክሎዝ አይነት ነው የተሰመረበት? ክሎዝ ከፍሬዝ የሚለይበት actually there is subject plus verb structure ወይም is simply part of sentence ወይም it doesn't convey complete meaning የክሎዝ ነው የምንለው አይደል? ከፍሬዝ ይለያል። phrase combining of two words and more than two words but it doesn't have subject and verb የለውም phrase ማለት ይሄ ግን አለው። ግን መለያቸው ምንድነው? relative clause ከadjective clause፣ adjective clause ከnoun clause፣ noun clause ከadverb clause በምን ይለያል? I already defined it. ያ በቅርቡ የለቀኳቸው ቪዲዮዎች አሉ እነዛ ላይ በደንብ ያያያችኋቸው ይመስለኛል። ስለዚህ nice. Let's come to here. The car that drove up in the street turned left. That drove up the street. So what kind of clause is this? That drove up in the street. So the relative clause or maybe adverb clause, maybe noun clause. Yes, what kind of clause? That drove up the street. This is an adjective clause, yeah? An adjective clause. Adjective clause which noun clause which ይሆናሉ maybe sometimes relative clause ይሆናሉ. So መለያቸው ምንድነው? There is the word that here. So that develop out the street. If you answer that an adjective clause ካላችሁ ትክክል ነው። ምክንያቱም ላሳያችሁ ይሄ the car that drove up the street adjective clause ማለት adjective ማለት ነው። adjective ማለት ደግሞ ስሞችን የሚገልጽ ነው፣ ስምን የሚገልጽ ነው። ይሄን ክሎዝ ስታዩት ማንን ነው የሚገልጽላችሁ? the car that drove up the street it is an adjective clause which describes about the car. back to the car ወደ ኋላ መጥቶ የአረፍተ ነገሩን ባለቤት subject ነው modify ወይም describe የሚያደርገው። so the answer is adjective clause ያላችሁበት ምክንያት ይሄ ነው please. Next question. The escaped giraffe which had been on the loose for weeks was finally captured. Was finally captured. Yeah, was clear actually. Relative clause because the question no the clause begins with relative pronoun which. Yeah, which and what kind of relative clause? Non-restrictive or non-defined relative clause because it gives extra information about the subject. Simply ይሄ የሚያሳያቸው relative clause በኮማ የተለየ ነው። በኮማ የተለየ ማለት non-restrictive non-defined ነው። ሰብጀክቱን አይደንቲፋይ ሳይሆን ለአረፍተ ነገሩ ባለቤት ኤክስትራ ኢንፎርሜሽን የሚሰጥ በቀላሉ መለየት የምንችለው relative clause ነው የምትሉት ይሄን nice. Question number 22. She looked excited as if she could jump up and dance at any moment. She looked excited as if she jumped up and dance at any moment. What kind of clause is this? There is a clue here. ፍንጭ የሚሰጣችሁ ጉዳይ አለ እዚህ ጋር relative clause, adverb, adjective. Take your time to answer the question. Yeah, focus on the conjunctions please. አያያዥ ቃሎች ጋር ነው focus የምታደርጉት and adverbial clause ካላችሁ ልክ ናችሁ ምክንያቱም this is adverbs of condition ነው as if on condition that providing unless providing on conditions that so long as condition adverbs ናቸው of course ልክ ነው ስለዚህ adverbial clause ነው adverbial clause ከሆነ ደግሞ ማን ነው modify የሚያደርገው she looked excited የሚለውን excited yeah as if she could jump up and dance at any moment this is an adverbial clause and function does an adverb እንደ adverb ነው የምንጠቀምበት እንደ adverb ከሆነ ደግሞ either verb-ን ካልሆነ ራሱ adverb-ን ካልሆነ adjective-ን modify ማድረግ አለበት as if she could jump up and dance at any moment she looked excited የሚለውን ሐሳብ modify የሚያደርግ adverbial clause ዝም ብለን adverbial clause ምናምን clause አለ what is purpose why with adverbial clause ለምንድነው adverbial clause ያለው ምንድነው እዚህ ሐሳብ ላይ እየገለጸ ያለው እሱን ካወቅን በኋላ ነው adverbial clause adjective clause something ልንል የምንችለው ስለዚህ ይሄ clause modify የሚያደርገው looked excited የሚለውን ሐሳብ modify የሚያደርግ ስለሆነ adverbial clause ትሉታላችሁ ያ they will approve your request provided you pay the appropriate amount of money yes እዚህ ጋር question number 23 yeah they will provide to you your request provided yes right አሁንም adjective adverbial phrase ነው yeah provided you pay the appropriate amount of money yes the provide what kind adverbial condition ነው ከዚህ ጋር አይደል condition ነው ስለዚህ ልክ ነው adverbial clause ካላችሁ absolutely right ናቸው yes absolutely right ናቸው please I have loved you since the day I meet you yes I have loved you since the day I meet you since the day I meet you yeah since the day I meet you since the day I meet you is a clause because it begins with the adverb since and there is subject and subject I and there is a verb here as a clause it's an adverbial clause please an adverbial clause because it is a reason adverbial so it modifies about how why I loved you reason modify የሚያደርግ ነው ስለዚህ adverbial clause ካላችሁ of course ትክክል ነው part 4 another questions ናቸው part 4 you know just sentence the course begins from words and then sentence and the definition of sentence and part of sentence actually subject and predicate and we have 3 ways of subject stating subject and we have 3 ways of stating predicate ያን ነው የሚጠይቃችሁ ያረፍተ ነገር ክፍሎችን ነው የሚጠይቀው simple subject simple predicate and compound subject compound predicate complete subject and complete predicate yes ነሱ ጥያቄዎች ነው የሚጠይቃቸው እሱ ደግሞ በጣም ቀላል የሆነ ጥያቄ ነው My brother James and his colleagues from India collaborated on the project together. My brother James and his colleagues from India. ፎከሳችሁ እዚህ ጋር ነው የሚሆነው what kind of subject ናቸው predicate ናቸው I don't know አላቅም ግን እናንተ ናችሁ የምትመልሱት ይሄን yeah take a time to answer the question please friends if you answer the question here compound subject because they act as subject አይደለ ያረፍተ ነገር ባለቤት ናቸው and they are compounded with one of the coordinating conjunction end yes አንድ ሐሳብ በcoordinating conjunction end ከተያዘ my brother James and his colleagues from India አዩ የተለያዩ ሰዎች ናቸው አይደለ የተለያዩ ጄምስ እና የሱ ጓደኛ from India የተለያዩ ሰብጀክቶች ናቸው ባያያዝ ቃል end ተያዙ compound ያሰኙታል compound subject ላላችሁ just Janet runs in the morning swims in the evening and cycles to and from work yeah actually this is not subject simple subject ምናምን አንለው ማለት because it begins from the predicate the verb here because there are what kind of predicate here maybe complete simple and compound if you answer compound subject compound predicate ልክ ነው runs in the morning and predicate አላችሁ swims in the evening ሌላ predicate አላችሁ and cycles to run and from work ሌላ predicate አላችሁ more than two predicates in a sentence we can say compound predicate because there is a coordinating conjunction አያያዝ ቃል አለ compound አደረገው compound predicate ማለት predicateቱ በኮኦርዲኔቲንግ ኮንጀክሽን ተያዙ ሁለት የተለያዩ አክሽኖችን የሚያሳይ ከሆነ compound predicate ይባላል ልክ ነው Alex writes and reports to the president office bill writes and reports different actions nacho, so they are compounded with coordinating conjunction here, so they can act as compound predicate ትሉታላችሁ። Janice from the nearby village and Alex from Adama University attend the annual conference. The same question, yeah? Janice from the nearby village and Adela from Adama University. Compound subjects, of course, compound subjects, yeah. Nice, please. The colorful, lovely rose flowers are blooming. The colorful, lovely rose flowers are blooming. What kind of subject or maybe predicate? I don't think, yeah. Yeah, take your time to answer the question, please. Yeah. If you answer complete subject, look now. Complete subject. The simple subject here is flowers, and the simple subject is expanded by different modifiers. So this modifier is complete what kind of flowers it is, and what kind of subject it is. They give clear and detailed information about the simple subject or the simple noun. So these are called pre-modifiers, the article, the adjective, the adverb, and the noun here, okay? So it's called complete subject. Complete subject, exactly, ልክ ናቸው። That ideal guy comes to home late. That ideal guy comes to home late. The word guy, simple subject, of course, yeah? Simple subject ማለት አንድ አረፍተ ነገር ስም ባለቤት ሲኖር ብቻ ማለት ነው። አንድ ስም ብቻ ሲኖር ነው። That ideal የሚሉ ደግሞ ሞዲፋየርስ ናቸው። እነሱ ከተጨመሩ ኮምፕሊት ያደርጉታል። ምክንያቱም ይሄን ሲምፕል ሰብጀክት ሲምፕል ናውን ሞዲፋይ ያደረጉት። ኦኬ ስለዚህ simple subject, right, you got the answer. Nice. This is also about parts of sentence questions, very clear. Maybe such kind of question will appear for your final exam. Without that you can answer it. እንዲህ አይነት ጥያቄዎች ፈተናችሁ ላይ የሚወጡ ከሆነ በቀላሉ መመለስ ይቻላል። The other very important part of the basic writing skill is I have published maybe more than 5, 6, 7, 8 videos focusing on sentence errors because they are key. Sometimes they make you confusion, but for me they're not somehow difficult. Yeah, we can just do it in a very simple way because we know about or how that sentence errors may happen and how can I correct it. I practice more and more time, then I habituate it, then I can write meaningful sentence, meaningful paragraph. Yeah. እነዚህ በነገራችን ላይ sentence error ማለት ያንድን አረፍተ ነገር ትርጉም ሊያሳጡ የሚችሉ የስህተት አይነቶች ናቸው። በአብዛኞቻችን ላይ እንቸገራለን ይመስለኛል እነዚህ። ነገር ግን እያንዳንዱን የስህተት አይነት በደንብ አይቼ ስህተቱ ምን ላይ ሊፈጠር እንደሚችል ከለየው በኋላ እንዴት ማስተካከል እንደሚችል ፕራክቲስ ማድረግ ከሆነ በየቀኑ I can write meaningful sentence ጽፋለሁ። እነዚህም ሊያስቸግሩኝ አይችሉም ማለት ነው አይደል? sentence error በጣም sentence error dangling, misplaced, run on, comma, split, pronoun, antecedent, faulty particip, subject, verb, agreement, and all these are fragment even. These are sentence errors ነው የምንላቸው። እነዛን ጥያቄዎች ነው እዚህ ጋር እያመጣሁ ያለሁት እኔ። Nice. Walking down the road, the birds were singing. አንደኛ ሁለት ጉዳይ ነው የጠየኳችሁ። type of error ምንድነው? እንዴት ነው correct የምታደርጉት ነው? Yes, walking down the road, the birds were singing. Look here. First, እስኪ type of error ንገሩኝ እስኪ። type of error ንገሩኝ። What kind of type of error does the sentence have here? If you answer dangling modifier ካላችሁ ልክ ናችሁ። dangling modifier ምንድነው? dangling ማለት እዚህ አረፍተ ነገር ላይ modifier አለ። ሞዲፋየሩ implied subject እና principal subject የተለያዩ ናቸው ማለት አንድን ሐሳብ በትክክል ሊገልጹ አይችሉም። ስለዚህ ምንድነው ማድረግ ያለባችሁ? መጀመሪያ አረፍተ ነገሩ ምንድነው ስለማን ነው የሚያወራው እሱን ከለያችሁ በኋላ ይሄንን implied subjectን በመጀመሪያው ሐሳብ ማስተካከል መቻል ነው። የሚያወራው ስለኔ፣ ስላንተ፣ ስለሷ፣ ስለነሱ፣ ስለኛ ነው የሚያወራው። እሱ መለየት ነው። walking down the road, the birds were singing. ያ መንገዱ ላይ እየሄድኩ እየነበርኩ ዛፎች ወፎች ይዘምሩ ነበር ነው። ስለኔ የሚሄደው ያወራል፣ ስለ ወፎች ዝማሬ ያወራል። Do you get anything from this one? We can't get. ሞዲፋየሩ ሞዲፋይ ማድረግ የሚገባውን ነገር ሞዲፋይ አላደረገም ማለት ነው አይደል? ካላደረገ ደግሞ sentence error አለበት። ይሄን አይነት አረፍተ ነገር ፓራግራፍ ላይ ወይም ኢሴ ላይ ልጽፍ አልችልም ማለት ነው። We have some ways to write just like this idea, and when we are writing thesis, while we are writing for paragraph and essay, it's wrong, please. No meaning at all. ስለዚህ ምንድነው ማድረግ የሚገባኝ? ፍንጭ ካገኘው ስለማን እንደሚያወራ እሱ መፈለግ ነው። ካላገኘው ደግሞ you can write you yourself, he himself, she herself ብለን መጻፍ እንችላለን። ለምሳሌ while walking down the road I heard, look here, while walking down the road I heard the birds were singing. I heard the birds were singing. I heard the birds were singing. While walking down the road ማለት while I was walking down the road ማለት ነው. Yes, while I was walking down the road ማለት ነው. Let me write here. While walking, yes, down the road, comma here. Anyway, take just this like examples, please. Correctly ጽፉት በዚህ welcome ጽፉት ያ while walking down the road I heard the birds were singing. አሁን ስለማን ነው የሚያወራው? ስለኔ ነው የሚያወራው። እኔ አስፋልት ላይ መንገድ ላይ እየሄድኩ እያለሁ ወፎች ሲዘምሩ ሰምቻቸዋለሁ። ስለማን ነው የሚያወራው? ስለኔ ነው። the same subject አደረኩት። ዳንግሊንግ ሞዲፋየሩ ሞዲፋይ የሚያደርገው ነገር አስቀመጥኩት። meaningful sentence ነው። ያ while I was walking down the road ማለት ይቻላል። I heard the birds ለምንድን ነው I heard ያልኩት? ተመሳሳይ implied subject ላይ ተመሳሳይ ለማድረግ ሞዲፋዩን በደንብ ለማውጣት ነው። yes ሞዲፋዩን በደንብ ለማምጣት ተመሳሳይ subject ካደረኩት አረፍተ ነገሩ meaningful ነው ማለት ነው። yes meaningful ነው ማለት ነው። yes so this is the way, please. በዚህ መልክ እያሳክራችሁ ትሄዳላችሁ። whom I know, yeah, whom I know. Second question, please. Whom I know. What kind of sentence here does a maybe it's not a sentence actually. It's not a sentence. Whom I know. Of course, it doesn't give complete sense, complete meaning. There is a problem here. ችግር አለበት። meaningful አይደለም ይሄ። Whom I know. Fragment definitely. Whom I know. Incomplete, dependent. Fragment ማለት it doesn't give complete. It's incomplete thought ነው። ሐሳቡ የተቆረጠ ትርጉም የሌለው ማለት ነው። Yes. The teacher whom I know is my friend. እንደዚህ ነው ማለት ነው። ይሄ ዲፔንደንት ነው፣ ሪላቲቭ ክሎዝ ነው። ኢንዲፔንደንት ወይም ሚኒንግ ክሎዝ ይፈልጋል ማለት ነው። The teacher whom I know is my friend. The teacher whom I know lives next to my door. The doctor whom I know is my sister's husband. Or the person whom I know is my neighbor. The person whom I know is. These are the different ways of correcting this fragment. Yes, ምን እፈልጋለሁ? ዲፔንደንት ከሆነ ኢንዲፔንደንት ክሎዝ ይፈልጋል ማለት ነው። ይሄን ሐሳብ ጋር ተያያዥነት ያለው እሱ ሊገልጽ የሚችል ነገር እፈልጋለሁ። ይሄን ከፈለኩ ልክ አሁን ባስተካከልኳቸው መንገድ እጽፋለሁ ማለት ነው። ለምሳሌ ልጻፈው look here. The teacher whom I know, yes, whom I know is my neighbor. Ew. The teacher whom I know is my neighbor. Have you seen it? The teacher whom I know is my neighbor. እዚህ ጋር ምንድነው የማደርገው? Correctly capitalize the teacher whom I know is a dependent clause here. Dependent clause ነው። አሁን complete ሆነ። The teacher whom I know is my neighbor. እኔ የማውቀው መምህር የኔ ጎረቤቴ ነው። meaningful ነው አሁን ምክንያቱም main clause ከተትኩለት complete ሆነ ማለት ነው። ያ question number 32. Taking my exam, 3 students came lately. Taking my exam, 3 students came lately. What kind of sentence error is this? Yes, come on please. Dangling modifier. Yeah, dangling modifier. The same question with question number 30 ጋር ተመሳሳይ ጥያቄ ነው because it begins with the participle ነው የጀመረው። Taking my exam. አሁን ክሊዲ የተቀመጠ ጉዳይ አለ። ስለማን ነው የሚዋራው? ስለ እኔ ነው። ስለዚህ በእኔ ነው implied subjecቱና principal subjecቱን ፓራል ማመጣው በዚህ በተቀመጠ ፍንጭ ባገኘሁት ነው። ስለ እኔ ነው የሚዋራው። Taking my exam እኔ ፈተና እየወሰድኩ እያለ ነው። 3 ተማሪዎች ዘግይተው መጥተው ነበር። ስለ እኔ ፈተና መውሰድ ስለ ዘገዩ ተማሪዎች anything you can get anything ምንም ነገር አታገኙም። ስለዚህ አንድን ፓራግራፍ ጽፍ እንደዚህ አድርጌ ልጽፍ አልችልም ነው። ምክንያቱም አንድን ሐሳብ ነው ስቴት ማድረግ የለብኝ። ይሄን ሳስተካክለው dangling modifier while taking my exam I saw 3 students came late. Yes, while taking my exam I saw 3 students came late. Yeah, while taking the exam, let's in while taking the exam, look here, while taking the exam, comma, I saw 3 students came late. Yeah, came lately. Nice. Excuse ambut on excuse. Skambut. While taking the exam, I saw 3 students came late. While taking my exam. Yeah. My exam. It doesn't mean that. Here, while taking my exam, I saw. Miaro Solomon on any. I saw 3 students came late. He ማለት while ይሄንም እንደዚህ ይችላላችሁ። while I was taking the exam እንደዚህም ይቻላል። while I was taking my exam I saw 3 students came late. Exactly, meaningful past continuous structure ጻፉ። meaningful sentence ማለት ላይ ማለት nice. Question number 33. The highest tower in the town. The highest tower in the town. What kind of sentence here? S, the fragment, run on, comma splice, dangling, pronoun antecedent problem. Fragment, exactly, the highest tower in the town. Phrase እኮ ነው ይሄ። ናውን ፍሬዝ ነው አይደለ? ናውን ፍሬዝ ደግሞ ኮምፕሊት ሴንስ አይሰጣችሁም። ካልሰጠ ደግሞ ሰንተንስ ኤረር አለበት። ይሄ ፍራግመንት ኢንኮምፕሊት ነው። ፍራግመንት ካላችሁ this is the highest tower in the town ይቻላል። this is the highest tower in the town. Atlas Hotel is the highest tower in the town. Atlas Hotel is the highest tower in the town. እንደዚህም ካላችሁ ይቻላል። ልክ ነው። ኮምፕሊትሊ ያደርገው የሚችል ሐሳብ yes, the highest tower in the town is Atlas Hotel ይቻላል። the highest tower in the town is Atlas Hotel ይቻላል. Right? The highest tower in the town is a 3-star hotel. The highest tower in the town is a 3-star hotel. You can just write just like this. You can use your own, please. የራሳችሁን መጠቀም ትችላላችሁ. Anyway, make it complete, please. Walking in the park. Walking in the dark. The pictures fill the wall. Walking in the dark. The pictures fill the wall. Yeah. Of course, dangling modifier, no? The same approach for question number 30 and 32. Walking in the dark. The picture fill the wall. ስለማን ነው? እኔ ነኝ። አሁን ስለኔ ይሄ ማንም ብለን አይደለም የምናወራው አይደለ? ስለኔ ጉዳይ ነው የሚያወራው። Walking in the dark, the pictures fill the wall. ያ በጨለማ እየተጓዙ እንደነበር ግድግዳው ላይ ተለጥፈው የነበሩ ፒክቸሮች ወድቀው ነበር ነው። ስለዚህ እኔ ነው ስለኔ ነው የሚያወራው። ዳንግሊንግ ሞዲፋየር ነው። Yes. While walking in the dark, I got the pictures fill the wall. Yes. Look here. While walking in the dark, I got the pictures fill the wall. ይቻላል። I got. While walking in the dark, I got. ይቻላል። While I was walking in the dark, I got the pictures fill the wall. I got the pictures fill the wall. Possible though. The speaker here is I because it talks about myself, not he, not she herself. So that's the way you create this dangling modifier. አሁን ፓራል አደረኩት። implied subject እና previous part of the same subjects modify አስቀመጥኩላቸው ኮምፕሊት አደረኩት ማለት ነው። Yes, question number 35. Question number 35. Look here. The candidates' goals include winning the election, enact a national health program, and improve the educational system here. The candidates' goals include winning the election, enact a national health, and improve the educational system. What kind of sentence here does sentence have? Nice. በደንብ ማንበብ ይፈልጋል። ምክንያቱም a little bit አረፍተ ነገር ረጅም ነው። በደንብ ስትራክቸሩን በደንብ እዩት። ስትራክቸሩን በደንብ እዩት። ያ ፎልቲ ፓራዲዝም ካላችሁ ልክ ነው። ፎልቲ ፓራዲዝም ሮንግ ፓራዲዝም the structure here is wrong. mismatched ነው። the same form አይደለም የሚጠቀሙት። so they don't give meaning. ትርጉም የላቸውም ማለት ነው። እንደዛ ከሆነ ወይም አረፍተ ነገር ትርጉም የለውም ማለት ነው። The first is structured with winning the election, and here enacting a national health program and improving the educational system. Again, like this from Tasakul, please. Improving like this. Enacting here. Enacting here. Winning the election. Enacting a national health program. Improving the educational system. Parallel አደረጋችሁት 40 ፓራግራፍ ነው ችግሩ ማለት ነው yes 40 ፓራግራፍ ነው ችግሩ you can just create it just like this ሌላ መንገድም አላችሁ ይሄኛው ማስተካከል በሁለተኛዎቹ ማስተካከል ይቻላል win the election enact the national improve the educational system ይቻላል win like this win the election enact like this enact and improve just like this also the second way ሁለተኛው መንገድም እንደዚህ ነው the theme structure ነው ያላቸው the theme format ነው ያላቸው በዚህ መልክ ማስተካከል ይቻላል ሁሉ ጊዜ አንድ መልክ ብቻ አይደለም እንይዘው Castro's communist principles inevitably lead to an ideological conflict between he and President Kennedy the president yeah right Castro's communist principles inevitably lead to an ideological conflict between he and President Kennedy. What kind of sentence error is this? I don't know anyway. Yeah, but maybe 40 parallelism or maybe comma splice. Pronoun antecedent problem. Yeah, pronoun antecedent problem. Yeah, ምንድነው ለዚህ ጋር pronoun referent problem antecedent ምንድነው referent to antecedent መግለጽ አይችልም ማለት ነው። የpronoun antecedent problem ማለት እዛ ውስጥ ያለው pronoun እና referent to ተመሳሳይ አይደሉም። antecedent ስሙ ስለሌላ ያገልጻል referent ደግሞ ስለሌላ ያወራል so that's wrong meaningful sense የለውም እዚህ ስለ ፊደል ካስትሮ ነው የሚያወራው yes ስለ ፊደል ካስትሮ ነው የሚያወራው እዚህ ጋር him ነው የሚላችሁ አንድ ሐሳብ በhim በbetween ከተገለጸ እዚህ ጋር መኖር ያለበት ይሄ him ብሎ ነው objective case ነው ማለት ያለበት please like this Castro's communist principles inevitably lead to an ideological conflict between him and president between him ማን ነው የሚገዛው ካስትሮስ ፊደል ካስትሮ ነው የሚገልጽላቸው ስለዚህ him እዚህ ጋር ያለው ምንድነው አንቲሲደንት ነው ይሄኛው ሪፈረንት ነው ሪፈረንት it refers back to the noun please ወደ ኋላ ተመልሶ አንቲሲደንት ነው ስሙን ነው መግለጽ ያለበት ይሄ him በትክክል ስሙን ካልገለጸ አግሪመንት የለም ሚኒንግለስ ወይም ሰንተንሱ ክላሪቲ ይጎለዋል ማለት ነው ኦኬ ስለዚህ ስታስተካክሉ ይችል ማስተካከል ነው 2 kilos of sugar costs 400 birr 2 kilos of sugar costs 400 birr 2 kilos of sugar costs yeah I don't know what kind of sentence you read this 2 kilos of sugar costs 400 birr what kind of sentence you read that sentence face nice please take your time to answer the question yeah በደንብ ይታረፍተ ነገሩን of course አጭራርተ ነገር ነች የሰብጀክት verb agreement problem ካላችሁ ልክ ነው subject verb agreement problem 2 kilos of sugar which can be entitled as one it never take as plural form plural verb አይወስድም 2 kilos of sugar አይደለም ነው አረለ ዩኒት ነው ያስቀመጠለት መለኪያ ነው ያስቀመጠለት sugar by itself is uncountable noun ስለዚህ ካውንት አደረግነው በኪሎ ለካ ነው በዩኒት አስቀመጠለት ያ ማለት ደግሞ plural verb ይወስዳል ማለት አይደለም ስለዚህ ምን አለን 2 kilos of sugar costs ነው የምትሉት ያ it can be unit count as a unit 2 kilos of sugar costs 400 birr subject verb agreement problem ተስተካከለ ማለት ነው ስለዚህ costs ስንል ሲንጉላር አደረግነው of course ልክ ነው 39 she likes to learn in private university she abominates their grading system yeah she likes to learn in private universities full stop no yeah right yeah there is a comma I think yeah comma she abominates their grading system comma splice ካላችሁ ልክ ነው okay comma splice of course comma splice ነው because wrong is of comma የማያስፈልግበት ቦታ ስትጠቀሙ ማለት ነው ምክንያቱም ሁለቱም ክሎዞች ኢንዲፔንደንት or main clause ናቸው they never take any comma here rather they went what period instead አይደለ period ነው የሚፈልጉት እንጂ ኮማ አይፈልጉም we have 4 or 5 ways of correcting this comma splice a similar ways of correction with run-on sentence run-on የምናስተካክልበት መንገድና comma splice አንድ አይነት መንገድ ናቸው actually comma splice ማለት is and it's a waste of run on sentence ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ she likes to learn in private universities period ልክ እንደዚህ ያስቀምጥና and this must be capitalized please yeah እንደዚህ ብዬ ላስተካክለው ይችላል። አንድ መንገድ ይሄ ነው። yes she likes to learn in private universities period she abominates their grading system ተስተካከለ። ናይስ ሁለተኛው እንደዚህ ላስተካክለው ይችላል። እዚሁ ላይ ኮማ አደረግን ነው I can just use a kind of or appropriate coordinating conjunction which joins the two clauses here. She likes to learn in private universities but she abominates their grading system. Of course because ሁለቱ ሐሳቦች ተቃራኒ ናቸው። conjunction ማን ይሆናል? በትን እጠቀማለሁ። of course ሌላው መንገድ ነው። ሶስተኛ መንገድ I can just use semicolon here. Like no semicolon here. Where is semicolon here? No semicolon. No semicolon here. Let me find it. Anyway, this is a semicolon, please. Yeah, this semicolon. እንደዚህ መለየት ይችላል። short code close ናቸው። በዚህ ለየዋለሁ። ሌላው መንገድ I can just use a kind of subordinating conjunction, please. Subordinating conjunction መጠቀም እችላለሁ። contrast ለምሳሌ she likes to learn in private universities. However ብዬ ሐሳቡን ሊገልጸው እችላለሁ። However, she abominates their grading system. At least 4 ways of correcting comma splice or run-on sentence. Nice. Question number 39. The girl is a modelist with long brown hair. The girl is a modelist with long brown hair. What kind of sentence here does sentence have? Yeah, I don't know. Right ይመስለኛል። ይሄን ሳየው ግን wrong ነው። የሚገልጸው ነገር የለም። misplaced modifier ካላችሁ ልክ ነው። The girl is a modelist with long hair. ይሄ prepositional phrase ነው አይደል? ይሄ prepositional phrase wrongly placed ነው የሆነው። modify የሚያደርገውን ትቶ far away from the word the phrase that it modifies modify የሚያደርገውን ነገር ትቶ ተቀምጧል። የብቻው with long brown hair ማን ነው የሚገልጸው? the girl ነው አይደል? like this እንደዚህ አድርጌ ነው ማመጣው። look here ይሄን እንደዚህ አድርጌ አመጣዋለሁ። አሁን the girl look here ይሄው አሁን correctly ተጽፏል። the girl with long brown hair is a modelist. yeah, the girl with long brown hair is a modelist. With long brown hair is a modifier. What kind of modifier? Prepositional phrase. It modifies about the noun phrase the girl. እሱ ነው modify የሚያደርገው። ምንድነች እሷ? ሞዴሊስት ነች። ምን አይነቷ? long brown hair ያላት። that is misplaced modifier ማለት እንደዚህ ነው ማሳቀው። ጽንሰ ሐሳቡም ይሄ ነው። that's right. These are the 10 questions are sentence error questions. I think you got some clear information. The type of sentence here, how we correct it, and practice please here. The second question, or maybe number 5, the fifth type of question is completion question. No, completion question ማለት a short paragraph question. A short paragraph or a short paragraph written here. ይሄንን ፓራግራፍ ሊገልጸው በሚችለው ሊያዛምደው በሚችለው subordinating conjunction አሟሉት ነው ጥያቄው። subordinating conjunction ነው ጥያቄው። Insert the correct and the appropriate subordinating conjunction to complete the paragraph meaningful and complete. That's what I want to say here. Another approach of presenting subordinating conjunctions as a question. ሌላ approach ነው ይሄ። ስለዚህ ልክ ነው። subordinating conjunctions አንዱ ተግባራቸው እነዚህ ነው። አንድ ፓራግራፍ አንድ ኢሴ ስንጽፍ ትራንዚሽናል ዲቫይስ ካልተጠቀም ፓራግራፉ ሚኒንግለስ ነው አይደል? ስለዚህ እንዴት እንጠቀምባቸዋል እነዚህን? Look here, እነሱን ሰባቸው። How many subordinate conjunctions? 5, at least 6, 7 types አሉን። contrast አለን፣ contrast, adverb contrast, result አለን፣ condition አለን፣ comparison አለን, and cause አለን, and also what's called place አለን። at least 6 types of adverbs of subordinating conjunctions አሉን። 6 የሚደርሱ አሉን። እነሱን ታይም አለን 7 subordinating conjunction types. Think of the 7 types of subordinate conjunction and insert where necessary. Thus, እነሱን ማስታወስ ይፈልጋል። ለምሳሌ contrast ስንል also, even so, though, even if, no matter, it doesn't matter እነዚህን ሰዋቸው comparison as like a thema similarly ሰዋቸው time while during before after as until እነዚህን ሰዋቸው of course what about result so that እነዚህን ሰዋቸው reason as because since እነዚህን ካሰባችሁ እዚህ ጋር ኮምፕሊት ማድረግ ይቻላል እቺ የምታወራው ኢሲዋ ስለ ኮሪደር ቢልዲንግ ነው the new corridor building blank the corridor building make the town modern and attractive a lot of residents are always complaining about it yes right okay እስኪ ሐሳቡን ይዩት እዚህ ጋር ሁለቱን ሐሳቦች ያቸው ምን አይነት አያያዥ ቃል ይፈልጋሉ the corridor building make the town modern and attractive a lot of residents are always complaining about it so also ካላችሁ ልክ ነው even though ካላችሁ ልክ ነው yes although the corridor building made the town modern and attractive a lot of residents are always complaining ምንም እንኳን corridor building ከተማዋን ማራኪ ቢያደርጋትም ብዙ ነዋሪዎች በዚህ ጉዳይ ላይ ኮምፕሌን ያደርጋሉ ተቃራኒ ሐሳብ ነው although even though interesting place yes blank many people are displaced from the place where they live ለምንድን ነው ኮምፕሌን የሚያበዙት reason ይፈልጋል because us and since because many people are displaced from the place where they live as many people are displaced from the place where they live since many people are displaced from the place where they live reason ይፈልጋል so we can just use one of the three reason subordinating conjunction as because and since ልክ ነው 42 blank it comes to reality people should accept the changes without murmuring about it yeah realityውን ስታዩት ነባራዊ እውነቱን ስታዩት ሰው ለውጡን መቀበል ነው ከውስጡን ሄዶ ይያለ ከማጉረምረም ከማማት እውነታውን አይቶ መቀበል ነው ስለዚህ ምንድነው የሚፈልገው ይሄ ፕሌስ ነው ታይም ነው ኮንትራስት ነው ሪዘልት ነው ኮዝ ነው የሚፈልገው when it comes to reality ወደ ዋናው እውነታ ስትመጡ ማህበረሰቡ መቀበል አለበት ነው ከማጉመትመት ይልቅስ መቀበል አለበት እውነታውን ነው የከተማው ውበት ለኔ ነው ለናንተ ለኛ ነው ናይስ ስለዚህ when ተጠቀማለሁ subordinate conjunction ታይም ነው የሚፈልገው when it comes to reality ፕሌስን አይደለም ክሎዝን አይደለም ወይም ሌላ አይነት ነገር አይደለም የሚፈልገው ያ 43 blank we sacrifice by supporting it materially financially and others we may not get the expected changes ምንድነው ያ yes የምንጠብቀው ነገር ልናገኝ አንችልም የምንጠብቀው ለውጥ ልናገኝ አንችልም yes what kind of condition ነው የሚሆነው አይደል unless we sacrifice by supporting it materially financially and others yes ብዙ በገንዘብ ሊሆን በቁሳቁስ በሌሎችም ነገር ብዙ መስዋዕትነት ካልከፈልን በስተቀር የሚጠበቀው ለውጥ ሊመጣ አይችልም ልንፈናቀል እንችላለን ቤታችን ሊፈርስ ይችላል ህንጻችን ሊደርምስ ግን እሱን ሳክሪፊኬሽን መክፈል አለብን ነው exactly ስለዚህ unless the right adverb clause of condition ትሉታላችሁ ይሄን we all participate in always run the new building system finally እዚህ ጋር as a result ማለት ነው ያ result consequence ማለት ነው as a result we all participate in always run the new building ሁሉ መጨረሻ ወይ ሁላችንም በዚህ ጉዳይ ላይ ፓርቲሲፔት ማድረግ እንዳለብን ያሳያችኋል ሪዘልትን የሚገልጽ ጉዳይ ነው so that ትችላላችሁ as a result ትችላላችሁ result ልልን እንችላለን nice we cascade the program blank we get complete changes in the town we cascade continue ለማለት ነው cascade ማስቀጠል ነው we cascade the program blank you get complete changes in the town so what is here until we get yes ከተማው ላይ ለውጥ እስከምናመጣ ድረስ ፕሮግራሙን ማስቀጠል የግድ ነው የሚላችሁ we are all informed it is scenic fund and we can do our best to stand on our 2 feet ስለዚህ ምንድነው የምከተው እዚህ ጋር so that yes ሁላችንም ስለ ኮሪደር ቢልዲንግ መረጃው አለን ኢንፎርምድ ነን ስለዚህ ሁላችን በሁለት እግራችን እስከምንቆም ድረስ የምንችለውን መስራት እንዳለብን ነው የሚያሳስበው ስለዚህ so that the right subordinating conjunction. Result subordinating conjunction. Nice. Take this questions as an example and try to practice by yourself. I hope you will be successful, please. Next question number types የመጨረሻው ፓርት ይመስለኛል ይሄ ጥያቄ። Write the correct sentence structure type and write the answer only. Sentence በሁለት ከፍታላቸው እንዳጠቃቀማቸው sentence in function and sentence in what? In structure. Sentence in structure simple sentence, compound sentence, complex sentence, compound complex sentence and complex sentence. ስትራክቸራቸው ይሄን ይመስላል። በፈንክሽናቸው ደግሞ በ6 በ7 መንገድ ነው የምንከፍላቸው። actually እዛ ቦታ አላልመጣም። አሁን ከሰንተንስ ስትራክቸር አንፃር እነዚህን እንዴት ነው የምከፍሏቸው ነው። what kind of sentence structure does each sentence focus on? The villagers across the border blame about the reality. The villagers across the border blame about the reality. The simple sentence, compound, complex, compound, complex, or complex, complex. Take a time to answer the question, please, here. Nice. Simple sentence, of course, because it has one main idea, right? The villagers across the border. The villagers across the border. Villagers line, of course. The villagers. Ziga no simple subject to yallo. Pre-modifier allo, post-modifier allo, modify የሚያደርጉት ምንድነው? Villagers ነው። ስለዚህ አንድ ሐሳብ አለው። Blaming ነው። ሌላ ነገር የሚጨምሩ ነገር ነው። ስለዚህ ሲምፕል ሰንተንስ ማለት በውስጡ ሜቢ ሰብጀክቶቹ ኮምፓውንድ ሊሆኑ ይችላሉ፣ ኮምፕሊት ሊሆኑ ይችላል። It's not our business. Our business is what is the intent of the sentence here. What is the intent ማለት ሴንትራል አይዲያው ምንድነው? ስለምንድነው የሚያወራው? እሱ ላይ ነው ፎከስ አቴንሽን። ስለ ሰብጀክቱ ምናምን ነገር አይደለም የምናወራው። ሶ ሲምፕል ሰንተንስ ይሄ ነው። They came across learning English language fluently, but they are shy of presenting in front of their classmates. Yeah. It's clear? I think compound sentence. Look, because there are two main clauses here. They can be combined with coordinating conjunction, but so this is called compound. Compound ማለት ሁለት main clauses አሉ። በcoordinating conjunction ስታያይዟቸው compound sentence ናቸው. Exactly. One doesn't depend on the other. Both the two main clauses stand by themselves. They have meaning. So that's called compound sentence. The structure, the meaning of compound sentence, absolutely right. So this is a compound sentence. So we can write compound sentence when you are writing or paragraph in composition. Right? Look, variety of sentence and paragraph ወይም essence of variety and quality ነው። variety of sentence structure መጠቀም አለባችሁ ነው። either simple sentence, compound, complex, compound, whatever it is, please. Yeah. The story that I read is boring. The story that I read is boring. What kind of sentence structure here? The story that I read, I think it's not a simple sentence, but it is complex sentence ማለት ነው አይደል? complex sentence. እዚህ ጋር complex ያደረገው ይቻላልላችሁ። that I read የምትለዋ ምንድነች? adjective clause ነች አይደል? ስለዚህ complex ነች። the story is boring main clause ነው። that I read dependent ነው። ስለዚህ complex sentence ትሉታላችሁ። As I know him, he is brilliant and he is gifted student. Yes, as I know him, he is brilliant and gifted student. What kind of sentence is this? Yeah, nice. How can you answer the question here? As I know him, he is brilliant and he is gifted student. So compound complex, exactly. Compound complex ማለት at least two main clause አላችሁ, one dependent clause አላችሁ. Yeah. As I know him, dependent clause ነው. He is brilliant and he is gifted student, compound sentence ነው. If you answer compound complex true, it is nice. In spite of the fact that the chess player knew techniques of playing the game, he lost the game. In spite of the fact that the chess player knew techniques of playing the game, he lost the game. What kind of sentence is this? Maybe sometimes you'll be in confusion when the sentence lengthy, a little bit lengthy, but it doesn't interrupt your thinking, please. Whatever it is lengthy or shortened, that's not your concern, but the concern is what is the intent of the question, the statement here. መርዘም ማጥሩ አይደለም እናንተን ኮንፊውዝ ሊያስገባችሁ የሚገባው ሐሳቡ ምንድነው? እዛ ውስጥ ያለው ስንት ነገር አለ እዛ ጋር ስለምንድነው የሚገልጸው? ትገኛላ አይደለም? ያ እሱ ነው የምታዩት። ይሄ ኮምፕሌክስ ሰንተንስ ካላችሁ ልክ ነው። ኮምፕሌክስ ሰንተንስ in spite of the fact that ይሄ ዲፔንደንት ትሉታላችሁ። he lost the game independent ወይ main clause ነው። complex sentence ብቻ ነው የሚሆነው complex sentence in spite of the fact that ምንድነው adverb clause of contrast ነው። ሁለቱ ሐሳቦች ተቃራኒ ናቸው። የቼስ ተጫዋቹ ምንም እንኳን ብዙ ቴክኒክ ቢኖረውም ጨዋታውን ማሸነፍ አልቻለም፣ ተሸንፏል ነው እያላችሁ ያለው። that's right። ስለዚህ complex sentence nice. you also practice this. I think the last question, short answer question. I want to encourage you and to practice you how much you are clever enough, how much you understand reading and understanding paragraph and writing paragraph, and what evidences and what main ideas are inculcated or is inculcated in a paragraph. I want to evaluate you, please. Beyond communication, the smartphone has become the world's most powerful tool for information access and personal empowerment. Yeah, it consolidates the function of a camera, GPS, newspaper, library, television, and bank into a single device. For billions, it is the primary means of accessing the internet, providing vital services like online education, telehealth consultations, and digital banking, particularly in the regions lacking traditional infrastructure. This democratization of information empowers individuals to learn new skills, navigate cities, manage their health, and engage with city issues. The mobile phone, therefore, is not just a device for consumption, but a powerful instrument for personal agency and socio-economic mobility. This is very short paragraph. The question is, what is the topic sentence here? አንድ ፓራግራፍ ምንድነው? የመጀመሪያው ቁልፍ ጉዳይ ብዙ ጊዜ ተነጋግረን ያለፍነው ቶፒክ ሰንተንስ መኖር አለበት ነው። ቶፒክ ሰንተንሱ ከሌለ ሊኖርም ይችላል ኦፍ ኮርስ፣ ግን ኮመንሊ አለ። ቶፒክ ሰንተንሱ የት ጋር ይገኛል? የትኛው ነው ቶፒክ ሰንተንሱ? እሱን ማውጣት ነው። ይሄን ቶፒክ ሰንተንስ ደግሞ ዴቨሎፕ ሊያደርጉ የሚችሉ ሰፖርቲንግ ኤቪደንስስ አሉ። እነሱን ማን ናቸው? እነሱን አውጡ ነው ጥያቄው። ስለዚህ አሁን እዚህ ጋር ማሳየት እንፈልገው ቶፒክ ሰንተንሱ at the beginning of the paragraph ላይ ታገኙታላችሁ። ይሄ ማለት ነው ቶፒክ ሰንተንስ። yes ቶፒክ ሰንተንስ ይሄ ማለት ነው, which is stated here as the first line of the paragraph. Most commonly most commonly beginner learners መጀመሪያ ላይ ነው ያለው። ስለዚህ ይሄ በአብዛኛው ምንድነው ኢንፎርሜሽን look here እቺ ነች ዋናዋ ጉዳይ እቺ ነች ዋናዋ ጉዳይ yes look here the smartphone has become the world's most powerful tool for information access and personal empowerment. this is a topic sentence. ከዚህ በተጨማሪ ከኮሙኒኬሽን በተጨማሪ ኢንፎርሜሽን አክሰሲቢሊቲን ይሰጣል ነው yes personal empowermentን ይሰጣል ነው። ሁለት ጉዳዮች አሉት እዚህ ጋር። ይሄ የዚህ ፓራግራፍ topic sentence ነው. you can just bring here and start here please. በጣም ጥሩ። ከዛ በኋላ ምንድነው ቶፒክ ሰንተንሳችሁ? ይሄን ካየን በኋላ it consolidates the function of camera, GPS, part of the ያሉት ነገር ነው የሚያሳያችሁ። ሁለት ነገር ነው ያሉት vital for online education ያ አጠቃቀሙ ነው። ኦንላይን ኤጁኬሽን አንድ ፐርፖዝ ነው። ቴሌኮንሰልቴሽን፣ ዲጂታል ባንኪንግ ሌላ አጠቃቀሙ ነው። እነዚህ ሰፖርቲንግ ኤቪደንስስ ፎር ዘ ፓራግራፍ ናቸው። ሰፖርቲንግ ኤቪደንስስ ናቸው ፓራግራፉን ዴቨሎፕ ያደረጉባቸው ዝርዝር ይዘቶች ናቸው። I can write the supporting details here. Finally ምናላችሁ therefore is not just a device for consumption but is a powerful instrument for personal agency. Yes, one thing here. And what? Socio-economic mobility, which are the supporting details for this paragraph. Summary ያደረኩት አሁን እዚህ ውስጥ አሉ እነዚህ ጉዳዮች በነገራችን let me tell you please እዚህ ውስጥ አሉ ሐሳቦቹ። ነገር ግን ይሄ እዚህ ውስጥ መረዳት ካቃታችሁ አይደንቲፋይ ማድረግ ካቃታችሁ ማጠቃለያ ትመጡና ሐሳቡን በደንብ አይደንቲፋይ ማድረግ ትችላላችሁ ፕሊዝ። ስለዚህ ፐርሰናል ኤጀንሲ ፐርሰናል ዩዝ አለው እዚህ ጋር ያ ፐርሰናል ዩዝ አለው እዚህ አካባቢ what was socio-economic mobility እዚህ ጋር የተቀመጠ ጉዳይ አለው። ስለዚህ በዋናነት ፐርሰናል was called supporting evidence personal agency ነው። personal accessibility of ኢንፎርሜሽን አገኝበታለሁ። ሶሻል ሞቢሊቲ ያለው ሶሻል ሪሌሽንሽፕን ያጠናክራል። ሁለቱ ሰፖርቲንግ ኤቪደንስ ኦፍ ዘ ፓራግራፍ እንላቸዋለን። ስለዚህ እቺ ፓራግራፍ ማሳየት የፈለኩት ምንድነው ከአንድ ፓራግራፍ ላይ ቶፒክ ሰንተንስን እና ሰፖርቲንግ ኤቪደንስን እንዴት እናወጣለን። I want to give you some explanation, some clear information about the paragraph. Totally, this is the first semester final examination to those who are going to take university courses. I think someone asked you repeatedly to prepare final questions. I've just finished it, but I want to remind you please to subscribe, like and share my channel, and I think I'll do my best to support you. Any question focusing on the given final exam questions, you can contact me through my address here. And also if you want to just learn online learning, I have also this address. You can contact me. I'm in the way to write. Actually, I have a language center here. I'm teaching face to face, and contact from my address please. Thank you for watching Family English Language Improvement Center with Mr. Kabada. Have a nice time please.